Welcome back to CAD application class. Welcome back to CAD application class. Students, let's try to draw this taper block using SolidWorks. So here you can see the length of the bottom is 7 and the width is 4. The height is also 4. And then here you have in the top the width is 4 and then the length is same but it has been cut into different sections. Now let's try to open SolidWorks. I have already opened it. Let me go to the units on the right side bottom, change it to IPS. Okay, let me try to go for sketching, smart sketch. Let me select the bottom plane. Now let me select center and corner. I have done this one. What is the size? The size is 7 and 4. Okay. Smart dimensions, from here to here it is how much? From here to here it is 7. Enter, select OK, and then this one from here to here it is 4. Select. So we have finished this one. So now what is the next job? Next job is I will exit from this plane, from this sketch. Now see here, I will move with my center ring of a wheel of my mouse, holding it and dragging up and down. Let me go back to features. I have a reference geometry, plane. The moment I press plane, you find this one and this side. Let me open this one. So I was on the top plane, is it not? On this top plane. Now let me make the height. What is the height here? The height is 4. The height is 4 here. Okay, I am in this taper block. Height is 4. So I'll just put 4 on the left side. Enter. See, click OK. Now see, you have a plane at a height of 4. Fine. So let me just press the space bar, bring it normal. On the left side you can see plane 1, it is highlighted with blue color. Again click on that one with your mouse cursor. Let's try to make editing on this plane. Okay, let's edit. So what do I need now? I need another square. I will just take this one, some size. I will just do it like this, some size over here, just like this. Okay, so what is this length? This length remains 7 only. From where? From here to here it remains 7. Good. So then what else is there? Let me move it out a little bit. What is the width? This is 4. Here see, it is 4. So let me just go take 4. With this and this it is 4. Select OK. Fine. So but still it is not defined. See there, it is not completely defined. So what should I do now? I should just, let me just put it up here like this. I will just select this line and shift this line. I will make them as what? I will make them as collinear. Understand? If I make them collinear, they are on the same plane now. Okay. But now still it is moving up and down vertically. I can move it up and down. So how to fix this one now? How to fix this one? Just 1 minute. Let me go here. So on the top, what is this dimension? On the top, this dimension is 4. On the top, the dimension is 4. What happened to the bottom dimension? No, top dimension is not 4. This is total 4. 4 minus 1 minus 1. This is top dimension is 2. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This is not 4. This dimension is how much? Let me click on this one and make it as 2. See, the size became small now. Okay. Now let me move up and down. So how do I fix it? I have to fix it. So what I will do now, I will select this line. When I select this line, I will find the center of that line, midpoint. Then shift this one. I will make them to stay in horizontal line. See there? Now I am already there now. You can just move up and see I am already there. Okay. So now what is the next job for me? The next job for me is to use loft command. I will exit this sketch. Now I will go to features. I have got loft command. The moment I select loft command, already it selected one point. This is point number 1 and this one is my point number 2. See that? It already created. Click OK. See, I'm already there now. So it's like this. Okay. So what else is there? Now I need to cut something here. See here, this is 3.4. This is how much? This is 1.6. So I have something in between. So what is the total length? Total length is 7 point. It is total is 7. 7 minus 3.4 minus 1.6. First I will draw. First let me select this top plane. Make it normal. I will do the sketch on that one. See, the blue color is highlighted, so I am making the sketch there. So I will just go make a rectangle like this. Click OK. So I need to fix the dimensions. What dimensions I need between this line and this line? This dimension is how much? This dimension is, this total is 7. 7 minus 1.6 minus 3.4. 7 minus 1.6 minus 3.4. I will say OK. So now I am there. See here, I have the size of this, but I need to fix from left corner. So from left corner, it is how much? 3.4, is it not? So let me just go here. Let me go here. Smart dimension. This line, from this line, this is how much? This is 3.4. I have already shifted there. Okay, fine, done. So now what about this length? This length I have to fix now. Let's make it really big. It doesn't matter. From here to here, how much is this? This is 3 point something. Let me make it how much? I can comfortably make it 7. Let it be 7. No problem. Okay. 7 or even 8 for that matter. Let me just go change it to 8. Fine. So now I can just move this one down like this at any place. 7, 8, any length. 8 is too much. I can change it to, let us say, 5. Click OK. Just hold it, move up and down like this. See, I cannot go to the left and right because the dimension is fixed, 3.4. So I'll just put it here. Okay. So now let's just move it into 3D and let us see here. Now I have to cut down. Correct. How much should I cut down? Total height is how much? Total height is 4. So I need here how much? 0.8. 4 minus 0.8 is how much? 3.2. Okay. So I will just features. I will do extruded cut. Extruded cut. I have to go down. I have to go down like this. How much should I go down? Here I can simply say 4 minus 0.8. Okay. Enter. See 3.2. It has already calculated. Okay. Take. Now see, already I have cut this one. So what is my next job? My next job is to select this plane. I will select this plane, make it normal. Again click on that one, sketch. Okay. So here also I will create 2 point rectangle. Just go like this. Any size, no problems. Just let's write it this way. Okay. Now let's go back to the picture. How much height I need? I need a height of 2. I need a height of 2. So this means I have to cut a extruded cut of 2. Okay. This width is how much? 1.6. So my rectangle dimension should be more than 1.6 because the other side is hollow. It's not a problem. Let me just keep it as 2. Let us say 2 is there. And then what about the length? This length can be anything. This length can be anything. Let us say it is 3. Okay, so now what else is there? The triangle is, you can move the triangle, see there, you can press and you can move around. Okay, so just keep it here. You can, let us say this one, shift the midpoint of this one, just make it to be in the horizontal plane. This relation could not be added because it would cause invalid geometry. Okay, fine. So what do I do now? I have got this line, the center of this, shift the center of this. I will make them horizontal. Okay, if I make them collinear, I did not get. Okay, no problem. So what I will do is I will just select, that should not be any problem as such. You can simply cut it straight away down. See there, you can simply cut it down, no problem. Just let us move it a little bit down like this. Say okay. Now what I should do, go to features, extruded cut. I have to cut it down. How much should I go? I should go down by an amount of 2. See, but be careful. See there, you are going inside. Understand, you are going inside here. See, some edges will be left out, so I have to be a bit cautious. I will cancel it. I will cancel it. I will come down. Instead of 3, I will click on this one, make it 4. Okay, so we will make it 4 so that it is a bit taller. Now I will move this one down here. Okay, now I will go for extruded cut. Down, how much I need? I need to go down by 2. Click OK. See there, I have it here. This is what you have in your picture. See there, you have it in your picture. So my picture is also exactly almost similar. See there. Now I need to make a hole here, is it not? Let me just go back. So I have a hole. This hole is on this inclined plane itself. See here, the hole is on the inclined plane itself. What is this width? This width is 1.6. and what is the height? The height is 1.8. The height what he is showing it on the vertical plane, not on the inclined plane. Be careful. Okay, so I have to create a plane. So what I will do now, I will select the center plane. See here, I will just go here, reference geometry. I want to make a, or rather I will just select a plane here. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the plane. Understand? See, this is the front plane. I will select on this one. I will make it normal front plane, and on the front plane itself I will click and make edit the sketch. Okay, where is this front plane? It is exactly in the middle. I will just go make a hole here like this, 2-point hole. Click OK. Now just see what are the sizes. The size is 1.8 and 1.6. So smart dimension from here to here it is 1.8, and then from here to here it is 1.6. Okay, done. So after this one, what is this dimension? Because it's still blue color. See here, this should be how much? 0.9, and from bottom it is 1.2. So smart dimension from here to here it is 0.9, and from here to here it is 1.2. So now your sketch is completely defined. Okay, so now where is this sketch? See there, it is exactly in the middle. See there, I am turning it. It is exactly in the middle because I did it on that plane. Okay, so now what I am going to do now, I will just turn it this way. I can make it isometric from here also. Now I will just go for features. I will make extruded cut. See, it is showing in one direction, is it not? So I will say through all both sides. See here, through all both sides means it will completely go through everything. Through all I am using here, through all both. See, everything is done now. What else is there in your picture now? Is there anything we need to do? Nothing. We cut the hole, everything is there. We just need to make a drawing out of this part, and then we need to make the dimensions. Okay, so now let's go back. I will just click here like this. I am setting it in this way, and here you see on the top you have got this options. Open the options. When you open the options, document properties, you go in the document properties, you have dimensions. Click on that, and here what is the primary precision? Precision is 0.12 is there. Okay, 0.12 is there, so the precision is okay. You can change the line style, type, everything you can here. If I want, I can have only precision to 0.1 itself. Okay, do we have precision to 2? Yeah, we have? Yeah, I think so. Let us check. 0.90, 1.6. No, so we will keep it to second decimal itself. Okay, so I have done. So now what I should do now, I will go here, I will save what I will save as, this is what this is, taper block, is it not? So I will go save as taper block. Okay, taper block I have saved. I need to save before making the drawing. If you want, you can hide the plane. Click on this one, hide the plane. See that everything is ready for you. Now just go to file, make drawing from part. When you go to file and say make drawing from part, just select which is the paper size you want. A4 landscape I have taken. It's ready. Now what is my direction of view? It is here. So this should be my front view. So I will just go here. Which is my front view? This is my front view, correct? I will just drag it and drop here. Then move out. I am here. Then I will just go down. I am here. See, I will just click here. Say OK. Now what do I do now? Just come here, move it out. Click. So everything is ready now. So now go to Smart Dimensions. Under the annotate command, see here you have, oh sorry, I have to just change it here to IPS. Now just go and select. I have selected IPS. Now let me go to Smart Dimensions. See 7. It did what? When it was in millimeter, it converted 7 inch into millimeter, and it was showing us there. Now what is the size? This line 4. Take OK. And then similarly this one from here to here, it is how much? 3.4. Click OK. So like this you can do the complete dimensioning for all the parts. Okay, thank you very much for